Wow, absolutely amazing. Find it very interesting the speakers, and I'm really happy to share with all my colleagues what's the next step, what's the new.
It's good to see everybody again after, let's say, 2 years of not really meeting or just again starting to meet people. It feels good.
So here we are in Cambridge at the Muller Centre, running our digital print for manufacturing event, and you can see in the background we've got 140 people having a great time, networking, talking, connecting.
So inkjet technologies offer an opportunity to make additive manufacturing more scalable. It's really interesting to come today and talk to some of the inkjet print manufacturers who are also interested in 3D printing and how they can penetrate the market there for those applications.
It's good to see all the people from the supply chain. It's good to connect. It's good to see people from other industries who are in the same situation as we are, driving sustainability in other markets. And yeah, I'm very, very fond of meeting all those people.
There's lots of interesting things going on within other industries that actually I'm looking at and thinking, well, maybe we can look at that and utilise that from our side of the business. And there's lots of good people here that I've already made contact with, even just within the half a day that I've been here. So taking a lot from here so far.
So busy, so many people have come to engage with this event. I think going from Geneva, our leadership event, and to go from that into something so technical, but it's still all part of the same community, is absolutely amazing.
My first FuturePrintTECH event, and it's been a real success for me. The breadth and the expertise of the speakers, I think, has surprised me in the quality, and I've had some real insights and experience of stuff that I probably wouldn't have come across if I hadn't been here.
FuturePrint really is about the future of printing technology. We're bringing together the leaders in the world of digital printing and inkjet to really have a look at what's happening in the world of digital print for manufacturing. So this event really explores everything from packaging through to functional printing, from labels through to decor. So it really is a complete look at probably the most exciting part of the print technology world, which is digital print for manufacturing.